Hi there! You received your blind spot mirrors from Utopicar made out of stainless steel. Now let me show you the best way to install them. But please note that these instructions are specifically for this mirror with this shape and made out of stainless steel. The best place to install them would be on the upper outer corner of the car mirror. But usually, if you have a car that has blind spot monitors, that's where it will be placed. So you can put your blind spot mirrors right underneath it, ideally in a place where it matches a little bit the shape of your car mirror. Now, let me give you two common mistakes that people do when they're installing their mirrors. Number one is do not peel the adhesive on the back until you know exactly where you want to place it. And number two, you can use this chamoy to clean your mirrors for installation. But don't throw it away, save it in your car. This is high quality, genuine chamoy, and it will be great to clean your sunglasses and glasses. You'll be surprised how clean they turn out. Also, because this is high quality, you can always wash it and reuse it whenever it gets dirty. Lastly, we believe our customer service is the best. If you have any questions, simply send us an email or shoot me a text. If for any reason you need to return them, please don't send them back to Amazon, because they will penalize us for any return we have. The best and fastest solution is that you contact us and we'll help you right away.